Hello friends, welcome to our channel Think Learn. Today we will be discussing about the important questions related to COVID-19. Let's go on to the questions. Question number 1. COVID-19 outbreak was declared a public health emergency of international concern by WHO on which date? The options are given below. The answer is 30th January 2020. The headquarters of WHO is at Geneva, and the current Director General is Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. It was recently in news that our Union Health Minister Dr. Harsha Vardhan has been selected as the Chairman of Executive Board of WHO. Which state or union territory launched Operation Shield in the containment zones to curb the spread of COVID-19? The answer is New Delhi. This operation will be carried out in 21 areas of New Delhi to contain the spread of novel coronavirus, and the expansion of SHIELD is as follows. S stands for sealing of area, H for home quarantine, I for isolation of infected patients, E for essential services ensured, L for local sanitization, and D for door-to-door survey. What is the structure of coronavirus? The answer is crown-shaped. Jeevan Light, a low-cost portable emergency use ventilator for COVID-affected patients, was developed by which IIT? The options are given below. The answer is IIT Hyderabad. This enables doctors to monitor the incubated patients through mobile app, and they are also equipped with rechargeable batteries and are also portable from hospital to homes. Which railway station has become the first in the country to install a walk-through mass sanitizing tunnel? The answer is Ahmedabad. The principle behind this process is vaporization, as it converts the sanitizer mixture into vapor, which forms a uniform layer over the surface and dries up quickly. Thailand announced that it has proceeded to test its novel coronavirus vaccine on which animal or bird? The options are given below. The answer is monkeys. The vaccine uses mRNA technology to weaken the strain of the virus and produce the antigens to fight with the virus from the root. In a study, which cells are found in COVID-19 patients bode well for long-term immunity? The answer is T cells. T cells are also known as the immune barriers. Which state launched Mo Jeevan program for the containment of COVID-19 pandemic? The answer is Odisha. It was launched by the Odisha CM Naveen Patnaik. Which state launched Break the Chain campaign to combat coronavirus? The answer is Kerala. This campaign was launched by Kerala CM Pinarayi Vijayan. It aims to educate people about the importance of public and personal hygiene. What is the name of COVID-19 test? The answer is RT-PCR test. RT-PCR means reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. Which IIT developed a nasal gel to prevent COVID-19? The answer is IIT Bombay. The aim of this gel is to reduce the community spread of COVID-19. Which state railways developed a mobile doctor booth called Charag? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. This booth eliminates the possibility of the physical contact between the doctor and patient, and it also reduces the dependency on PPE kit. 3V Safe Tunnel, a disinfectant tunnel, was launched in which state? It was launched by Telangana state. This tunnel uses an aerosol technology, and the disinfectant used in it consists of a combination of water-soluble polymer and iodine. On which day Janata curfew was imposed in India? It was on 22nd March 2020. The curfew was announced by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Kill Corona campaign was started by which state? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. It was launched by Madhya Pradesh CM Shivraj Chauhan. As a part of this campaign, 11,458 survey teams will be deployed across the state.